This video will show how to delegate the mailbox approval process in Dynamics 365 and PowerApps. Nancy Anderson is a Dynamics 365 system administrator at Contoso. As a system administrator, Nancy frequently onboards new users who need to use Dynamics 365. One of the capabilities most users require is the ability to send and receive email from Dynamics 365 with their Exchange Online mailbox. Let's see what happens when Nancy tries to approve the mailbox for a new user. Within the Power Platform Admin Center, Nancy clicks to view the appropriate environment, clicks Settings, expands Email, and then clicks Mailboxes. She then chooses the View Unapproved Mailboxes view and looks for Paul's mailbox. After selecting it, she clicks Approve Email and then clicks OK. Nancy sees an error which explains she does not have the required role to approve the user's mailbox. The link included at the end of the message provides additional details such as information about the new Delegated Mailbox Approver role. Refer to this documentation for the full details of the mailbox approval process. This approval process enables integration of data between Dynamics 365 and Exchange. By default, only users with the global or Exchange admin roles in the tenant can approve someone else's mailbox. Contoso wants to limit who can approve mailboxes. However, they want to avoid the requirement of a global or Exchange admin to be involved for every user that is onboarded to Dynamics 365. Instead, they'd prefer to delegate this approval process to Nancy without the need to grant her the highly privileged global or Exchange admin roles. A special Dynamics 365 security role called Delegated Mailbox Approver makes this possible. Contoso decides to assign Nancy the Delegated Mailbox Approver role. A user with the global or Exchange admin role can assign this role to her, which will allow her to approve mailboxes in the Dynamics 365 environment. I'm now signed into the Power Platform Admin Center as a user with the global admin role. I'll open the appropriate environment. Within Access, I'll locate Users and click See All. I will choose Nancy's user record and click Manage Security Roles. And if I scroll down, I'll see that she already had the System Administrator security role, but that role by itself, without being a global admin or Exchange admin, is not sufficient to approve other users' mailboxes. However, if I locate the role called Delegated Mailbox Approver, I can select that and click Save. One thing to note is that if I was not a global or Exchange admin, that assignment would have failed. Now that the role is assigned, let's switch back over to Nancy. When Nancy tries to approve the mailbox now, we'll see that it succeeds. Now that the mailbox is approved, it can be tested and enabled so Paul can send and receive email in Dynamics 365 with his Exchange Online mailbox. So now you have seen how the Delegated Mailbox Approver role can be used to delegate the mailbox approval process in Dynamics 365 and PowerApps.